Okay, let's start now. In the today session, we just going for the IP phone, digital phone. Today in the world, every communication system depend on the digital communication system. Either your mobile phone, either landline, even this time communication with you. These all are the new types of communication. This is known as the digital communication. You can say this is the VoIP. What is the meaning of the VoIP? Voice over Internet Protocol. Okay. So without delay, just starting the screen share to you, to all of you. And this is the screen share. Now the save fresh packet tracer open. Now saving this project on desktop, your 31st. Yeah. This is the known as IP phone. Okay. So I just prefer the job at for communication system. 1 minute. Just take a router to a double one. Suppose in a hotel rooms, hospital room, every room you want to connect uh, telephone system their room. So how it is possible? So after this assignment, you can easy to possible. So this is the routers. This connected with the switch in a network. At least two telephone. I just can computer and go to the digital phone VoIP. This is IP phone. I take at least the two phone and one computer, either laptop here second. So in this session, what we are going for first write up, then 1.1. So session is known as the IP phone. First is that. Second, uh, for the IP phone, what is the requirement? So first the requirement local uh, network configuration. Second is that because every network managed by the router. So second we go for the router configuration. Router configuration. Third is that uh, telephone never allotment of IP manually. Uh, their IP address always allotted by the automatic. Okay. So for this automatic allotment of IP, so DSCP service by the router, because in telephony system there we always try to the DSCP configuration by the router. Some if your area is a very huge, very high density, in this case DSCP server required. Other in the telephony system, just DSCP by the router. Third is that fourth point, uh, because this is a telephony system, so by default internet services available all router switches. For telephony system, definitely in the router we just make instruction the router you go for the telephony services. So next work for the telephony services, and uh, next is the what is the number of telephone allotment of telephone number. Okay. And by default last option, this all configuration done in the router, and by default in the switch it is open for internet, uh, but telephony service in the switch is not open. So just switch compatible for telephone. How to compatible? Just you just look here and you can easily to understand. So one by one, first starting the for IP telephony, this minimum you can. This is a basic requirement for configuration. So first local configuration. So for local configuration in your campus, if any network, either telephone system, either internet, so definitely router is required. and router to expansion of more network devices. So switches will be requirement. So just take at least one switch. For communication system, depend on your campus capacity, ki how number of telephone. Because here learning purpose, I just take two telephone number. And if you want to internet facilities along with the telephone number, so I just take one computer also. So now connection of these all network all devices, how it possible? Just click on the switch, because all are different devices. So definitely straight cable. I take straight cable, click on the router, go to the any port of the internet. I just go 01 and switch also 01. I take another computer. This is a in this telephone you have two options. One is the switch, another is the computer. Switch means switch. So I connect switch, and this another I also connect switch. Okay. So you are not bounded. You can connect any position, no problem. And I want to connect computer to the telephone system. So again take internet and in telephone connect. This computer directly connect to the switch. If switch some port are not dedicated for telephone system, so by default you directly connect to the switch. If all port you are dedicated for a telephone system, so in this case your internet is possible through the by telephone to computer. Okay, keep in the mind. So definitely first network, basic network design here. Now configuration, some area, so some network ID requirement. So I just take network ID. In this case, just I assume this is a network ID. Okay. According to this network ID, I allotment of IP on this port. So first 01, click here. One by one, local network configuration done now. Now router configuration. Just click on the router, go to the CLI. If first time asking the question yes or no, so you just put the no. Okay. This is user mode enable. This is a configuration mode conf, and this port. So just I write int fa0/1. Already all are aware how to allotment of router this port. So by this manner, IP you can put IP add, because our network ID is the 10 dot series. So definitely 10.0.0.12345 onward. /8. So definitely subnet 255. First 8 bits are the fixed, remaining bits are the 0. Already you know in the router IP address class. Mein. Power supply for this router is off, to you just put no shut, power supply not on. This is a do write, because do write saving configuration. Now exit. So point number 2 is already done. Router configuration, allotment of IP address on this router done. Next is that DSCP services. So how to DSCP services? So just IP DSCP pool for what? Phone. So just give the name phone. Gateway default I just 10.0.0.1. This is the gateway. And what is the network IP allotment of this all computer, laptop, phone, either? So just you write network 10.0.0.0 subnet. Okay, this is network ID. In the telephony system, one point is very important. All 100% DSCP configuration never allotted for telephony system. Some telephony system must be ensured for the reserved for internet purpose. So for this how is possible? I just follow your job ad. So just I opening job ad, because I don't want in another. Okay. Okay. Already given in the same option also given. No problem. So as per your job one, I just 150 telephone allow to connect IP address. So 150 option 150 IP. That means ki only 150 IP from 10.0.0.1. So 1 to 150 IP only provided to the router of the DSCP. Do write and exit. Okay. So now point number third is also done. Now the telephony service. So this already allotment of IP router configuration already aware about. Now telephony service. This is the new for all of you. So now I just give the instruction to the router. You go for telephony service. So what I can do for telephony service? Just I write telephony. I use of the tab key button. Automatically command will be complete. Just firing. I just give the router. You go for the telephony service. Router. Okay, I am ready for the telephony service. Now it is your turn. How many number of telephone you want to connect in the network? So you just write maximum max hyphen e phone. Okay, how many phone? 4, 3, 4, 5. So I just write 5 phone. Okay, and this phone, how many digit? Because every telephone number 10 digit, 3 digit landline, 5 digit. In hotel only press 1, press 2. So what is the number of telephone? It is on your hand. You can explain here maximum DN digital type in my case. Okay, in as per your job ad. Okay, and one more thing, this telephone IP where taken from IP. So just you write IP source of this telephone source address from which location. This is the router port, because router port allotment of IP to all devices. Okay, so this is the 10.0.0.1. Okay, and press enter. Sorry, yeah, for port basically wires communication. What is the meaning of the port? One session will be discussed tomorrow. What is the meaning of the port? So just here right now, the port means 2000. 2000 port is already decided by ISO for telephony services. So these just I give the router. You go for the telephony service. Maximum phone is the 5. Every phone have the 5-digit telephone number, and their IP will be taken from the port number 10.0, and this is reserved for telephony service. Now do right. Do right, that means the saving and exit. So this next work is also done. Now the point number 5, allotment of IP. Sorry, allotment of telephone number. What telephone number? So how to write the telephone number? So just you command firing. One more thing, I come back again. Here one command is missing in this case. Otherwise, you go back. So repeat again here. Telephony service. Okay, and maximum phone 5. Maximum digit is 5. Maximum IP source is from. Okay, one more thing. Telephone number. You have 2 options. Allotment of telephone number every devices. First is automatic. Second is the manually. So here I just I follow your job ad. So here automatic allotment. So just I firing the net auto assign. Auto assign. This is a command for allotment of IP. Auto assign sorry, space 1 to 5. Okay. There's some command is assign ASSIGN. Okay. Now do right and exit. Now the final configuration allotment of the telephone number in the router. So if I put the meaning of this is if I put the first telephone, so if I have 5 telephone number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if first phone telephone put in the switch, so there will number automatically 1 allotted. 2 is 2, 3 is the 4. The sequence depend on sequence, you will add automatically telephone number. Now what is the telephone number of these devices? So how to find out allotment of this telephone number? So you just firing e phone DN first telephone number DN1. Sorry, e phone DN1. Okay, just you write what is the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit. Do right and exit. Same you firing for DN2 second telephone number, because here you have 5 telephone, so you can connect 5 telephone number, no problem. But here I just select only 2 telephones, so I just bounded for here 2. So I just second is also firing DN2. This is a number 2 and do right and exit. So now my router configuration, local configuration, router configuration, DSCP, telephone or allotment done. Now the final switch compatible for the telephone. By default, this switch is ready for internet service anytime, no problem. But I want to connect our telephone help of this switch. So definitely in this switch, one basic requirement is that just click on the switch, go to the CLI mode, enable conf configuration mode. I just select all because this switch have 24 number of switch. Okay, so I just make all 24 switch for the telephone. INT range FA0/1 to 24. Okay, and what instruction given to the switch? All telephone we go for the internet telephone service. So just command is by switch port mode first access. What switch port may access? Just firing this command. Another is all switch port wires VLAN 1. Wires we do right. Okay. I just go to the switch and give the instruction all switch key all 24 port range with 1 to 24. Otherwise 24 time command if you go for only INT FA0/1 T02. Range means ki automatically all 24 number of switch we can allotment. Okay. So just next just first firing switch port mode access, then VLAN 1. Okay. Now do right already. So now I am ready for configuration of the switch port. So now we have these two telephone number because in the normal telephone our power connection is directly come from the telephone exchange. But in the mobile, this is a digital phone. Your land for upcoming landline by the optical fiber, upcoming this new types of landline. So their power supply not come from exchange. Their locally help of the adapter, you can connect that power. So this is a normally click on this computer, this phone, and just a power mode. I just power here and go to GSM. So this is one telephone. Another click phone. Go to the again power is connect here and go to the GI. This is another phone. Okay. I just checking here now going ready. This is become orange. Yes, no? Orange or red? Red. Not blinking any. Take time. Sir. This is no working. Okay. So now this. Okay, I just put both telephone in the front. After some time, if everything going very well, so definitely this is a working now. Okay, so just wait now. When you are going for this configuration, one more thing, go to the file option and preference, and here one option pop-up screen. So you just in your computer this play sound is a telephone unchecked. You just check mark. Okay, because if check mark you can easily learn to easily to listen what is the sound of telephone. I click here. This automatically my configuration is okay. So this telephone number is I first starting 001. I second telephone number. This telephone, okay. This second telephone. Again second two. And this. So now I check it's working and automatically number is actually my configuration is properly done. There is no any error. So this screen will be showing the IP. So I just put this handset and I can calling this number two. This is the ringing this phone, blinking is also now. So this is the working in the today's scenario telephone number. I just send work now connected. Same again repeat from dialing this number to this telephone number. So in my this job ad and you can connect 5 telephone number. So you just 5 or 3, 4 another telephone number more allotted and every phone connect and you can do it. Okay. So now here 1, 2, 3 check another side. So this is a telephony services. How to enable telephony services in the packet tracker. This is a practical also. If you in the field office you are joining any organization So definitely every hotels, hospitals, home, yeah, any offices, if you are appointed as a network engineer, so their telephone not come from now the BSNL office, yeah, MTNL office. This is a locally management to till time. In hotels room, you their every room telephone number not given by the BSNL exchange, either any telephonic any ISP. Local manager will be there, and very good five if you are Asoka Hotel, a network manager, monthly 1.2 lakh rupees salary, and this is a very good location. Otherwise field is very job not easy. In hotel full time, 8 hour working job, shift job, telephone number, internet will be in the hotel room. You can easily during this my internship help up implemented. And if you are going 5 star 7 star hotel, so in the foreign country it is also very nice. Okay, so hopefully you are try your your an packet tracer, and some students are 4 weeks. So if anybody 2 week are student, if they want to the make report, so you also include this IP phone, no problem. Okay, so any doubt, hopefully you can ask. Otherwise, you first try, then again ask you tomorrow. Okay, and certificate 2 week is the now ready. To hopefully today at day after tomorrow, I will be share with you. But request to all of you 3 more class. If you want to join that class, so you also welcome. Okay, कनेक्शन आप कर लेना. ठीक है, तो मैं वीडियो शेयर कर रहा हूँ. आई विल शेयर वीडियो, मेक इट. ओके, थैंक यू.